And ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin yung tungkol sa animals na rabies naman.
Homeless
Kasi
ang pinag-uusapan natin marami. 13.11 homeless animals. So, ba't natin sinasabi na namamatay sila sa overpopulation? Kasi ano bang ginagawa pag nanganak ang may unwanted pregnancy ang isang aso o pusa? Madalas, tinatapon.
Yes. So, for promoting responsible pet ownership, yun nga, we talk to our HOA, and then we collaborate with the guidelines for animals in our village. And if there are issues, bayanihan, they go to Ayala Malls. So I think the nearest us is in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay.
And then to each other. Yun po. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Po, we have a free pick-up and drop-off grooming services. This is free within BFRB and also available sa Pilang po. So, if
Happy Mother's Day daw.